If you need a strong and accurate spirit level, you can't beat the Stanley FatMax Pro box beam level. It's a combination between an I-beam and a box level with reinforcing plates that run all the way through the centre. This makes it up to 5 times stronger than a standard box level.
Strength's extremely important in spirit level, mainly because spirit levels on site get a lot of bashes. They get thrown around and it's quite important they remain true.
Once you know that a level is true, you need to be able to carry that through and use it job after job after job. You want to know that what you're using is going to give you those readings.
You have high visibility moulded vials there, which are very, very easy to see, magnified up to 20% bigger. Rubber bump caps at either end and carrying handles. Fully machined surfaces top and bottom, and are accurate on all 8 measuring planes. They're available in 16 inches right up to 80 inches, with the most popular being 2 foot, 4 foot and 6 foot, with the option of magnetic ones available for any steel workers out there.
The handle's great, nice soft handle, so it doesn't sort of dig into your fingers if you're using it all day. Rubber end caps are fantastic as well. They work ever so well. They really do protect it and they stop it. Not only do they stop the level getting damaged, they also stop it damaging a floor or any sort of finished surfaces as well.
When I'm buying a level, I look for quality, I look for strength, build quality and a name that I trust.
The name Stanley says it all to me. It means reliability and quality.